chapter 4, Indices, Surds and Logarithms. Now we go to the second subtopic of this chapter, which is law of surds. Before start the law of surds, I want to introduce with you what is rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be formed into fractional form. Okay, for example, 1/2 is in a fractional form. Okay, irrational number will be such as pi, which is 3.1415 and a log number behind. Another example of rational number will be 1.25. You can written in a fractional form, which is 5/4. Another example of irrational number will be exponential, which is 2.71828 and still got a lot of number at behind. 0.333 still got a lot of number at behind. You can make it become 1/3, which is also a fractional number. Here are another example of irrational number, surd 2, which is 1.4414 and a lot of number at behind. The last example, surd 4 is equals to 2. 2 you also can make it become a fractional form, which is 2/1. Okay? And then surd 4 of index 3 is equals to 1.587 and a lot of number at the behind. So this is rational number, this is irrational number. Okay? Example 1, convert the following recurring decimals to fractional form in its lower term. Part A, it wants us to convert the 2.33333 to inner fractional form. Okay, I will start with let x equals to 2.3333 and then I will time x with 10. 10x equals to 23.33333 and this is my first equation. This is my second equation. I will do the simultaneous equation, which is the second equation minus the first equation, then I will get 9x equals to 23 minus 2, you will get 21. Since the behind already minus off, so I will get an integer of 21. So x is equals to 21/9, which is also equals to 7/3. And then part B, 0.1666. Same way, I will let x equals to 0.16666 at the behind. And I will time 10x equals to 1.666 at the behind. But now I cannot do the same way as here. Why? Because after the decimal point, here is 666. But here, after the decimal point got a 1 at here. If I minus at here, then I will not get a full number. So I will times again, time 10. Okay, I will get 16.666 at the back. So now I can see after the decimal point, here is the same. So I can minus. Here is my first equation. Here is my second equation. So second minus the first equation, I will get 90x equals to 16 minus 1, you will get 15. So x is equals to 15/90. After simplify, you also can get 1/6. So you have to make sure the number after the decimal point is the same. Okay? So let x equals to 0.1414 and still got a lot of 14 at behind. 10x equals to 1.4141 and a lot of 4141 at behind. So you can see here are totally not the same. Here is 1414, here is 4141. So you must time 10 again. So you can get 14.141414 at behind. So this is my first equation. This is my second equation. The second one minus the first one. 100x minus x, you will get 99x equals to 14. So x is equals to 14/99. Law of surds. Okay, there are two laws of surd at here. The first one is surd A times surd B is equals to surd A times B. And the second one is surd A divided by surd B will be surd A/B. Okay? Only two laws of surds. I will give you some example. Example 1. Surd 14 times surd 5 will be equals to surd 14 times 5, which is equals to surd 7D. Okay? Second example, surd 126 divided by surd 3 will be equals to surd 126/3, which is equals to surd 42. Okay? And then the last one, surd 56 times surd 3 over surd 7 will be surd 56 times 3 over 7. Okay? Which is your answer will be surd 24. Okay? Let's go to the example 1. Simplify the following expression. Okay? Part A, surd 208. Okay, I will start with dividing the 208 by 2. Okay, then I will get 104. Then I will continue divide by 2, which is I will get my answer of 52. And I can continue by dividing by 2 and I will get 26. Again, by 2, I will get my 13. And I will stop here. Okay, by law of surd, I know that this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 13. Okay, so I can split it up, become 2 times 2 at here, square root of 2 times 2 at here, times square root of 2 times 2 at here, and the last one, square root of 13 at here. 2 times 2 equals to 4. Square root of 4 equals to 2. Okay, times this one also 2 times square root of 13. So my final answer is 4 square root of 13. Okay, let's go to the part B. Part B is 2 times square root of 72. So I will move down the 2 at here first, and then I will do the 72 at here. Okay, I will divide the 72 by 2. Then I will get 36. And I will continue divide by 2. I will get 18. And continue divide by 2 again. I will get 9. And now I will divide by 3. And I will get 3 here. Okay? So from the first question, you can see that 2 units of 2 at here, you will get an answer of 2 at here. Okay? Another 2 units of 2 at here, you will get an answer of 2 at here. So now, I can do the conclusion that if I got 2 units of 2 at here, I can get a 2 at here. If I got 2 units of 3 at here, I can get a 3 at here. And I left a 2. That's the square root of 2. So now I can times the 2 times 2 times 3 together, which is I will get the answer of 12. And left the square root at here. Okay? And now we go to the part C. Part C is surd 24 in order of 3. Okay? So I will divide 24 by 2. And I will get 12 at here. Divide by 2 again. I will get 6 at here. And 2 again, I will get a 3. Okay? For this example, I need 3 units of 2 to get an answer of 2. Why? The reason is this is surd in order of 3. So that's why I need 3 units of 2. Because the example before is square root. So they just need 2 units. Okay? Now I left the 3. So it will be surd 3 in order of 3. Okay? That's the answer. Now we go to example D. I have to simplify the square root of 18. I will divide the 18 by 2. I will get 9 here. And now I will divide by 3 and I will get the 2, 3. So I can simplify the square root of 18 become 3 square root of 2 and 3 here plus, now I need to simplify the square root of 8 by dividing by 2. I will get 4 and divide by 2 again, I will get 2 here. So I know that square root of 8 is equal to 2 square root of 2. Then I continue my equation minus square root of 2. 3 and 3 I can simplify. Now I can get my answer. Square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2 again. So I left 2 square root of 2. Okay? Let's go to the part E. When you see this kind of question, I don't want to have surd form in the denominator. So I will times 2 surd 3, 2 surd 3. Okay? So I can get the answer. 3 times 2, I will get 6. And square root of 3 at here. 2 times 2, I will get 4. Square root of 3 times square root of 3, I will get a 3 at here. That's how I eliminate the surd form in the denominator. So I can finalize my answer to be square root of 3 over 2. Okay? Now we go to the question F. For this type of question, I will direct times 2 plus 3 square root of 2 over 2 plus 3 square root of 2. Later you will know why I use positive instead of negative in this question. Okay, so let's continue. 7 times 2 I will get 14 plus 7 times 3 I will get 21 square root of 2. Now I will do the denominator part. Okay, 2 times 2 you will get 4. 2 times 3 square root of 2 you will get positive 6 square root of 2. 2 times negative 3 square root of 2 I will get minus 6 square root of 2. And then the last one is negative 3 square root of 2 times positive 3 square root of 2. I will get negative 3 times 3 I will get 9 square root of 2 times square root of 2 I will get 2 here. Now you can see this and this can be eliminated. So now I don't have any surd form in denominator. Okay, so this will be 14 plus 21 square root of 2 over 4 minus 18, you will get minus 14. So you can finalize your answer to become minus 1 minus 3 square root of 2 over 2. Example 2. Given the solution for x square root of 7 equals to x square root of 2 plus square root of 32 is this. Without using a calculator, find the value of a and b. Okay, x square root of 7 equals to x square root of 2 plus square root of 32. So normally I will move all the variable x to one side. So it will be x square root of 7 minus x square root of 2 equals to square root of 32. Then I will take out the variable x, which is square root of 7 minus square root of 2 equals to square root of 32. Then x is equals to square root of 32 over square root of 7 minus square root of 2. Now I can times square root of 7 plus square root of 2, square root of 7 plus square root of 2 here. So I will get square root of 7 times square root of 7, I will get 7 plus minus I will get minus, and square root of 2 times square root of 2 I will get 2 here. Okay, then 32 times 7 you will get 224. Do you know how I get 224? Square root of 32 times square root of 7 equals to square root of 32 times 7. Okay, so I get 224 here. Plus square root of 32 times square root of 2, you will get 64. So 224 you can divide by 2, you will get 112. Divide by 2 again, you will get 56. Divide by 2 again, you will get 28. Divide by 2 again, you will get 14. And divide by 2 again, you will get 7. Okay? Then this one will form a 2 here. This one will form a 2 here. And I left square root of 2 and square root of 7. So square root of 2 times square root of 7, you will get square root of 14. So I will get 2 times 2, you will get 4 here. Square root of 14 plus square root of 64 is 8. 7 minus 2, you will get 5. Okay, now you can compare with this. So I know that my A is equals to 8, B is equals to 4. Example 3. Given M is this, N is this, express the following expression in the simplest form. Okay, I need to find N. Okay, N is equals to 1 minus M over 1 plus M, which is I can times 1 minus M times 1 minus M, which is I can get 1 minus 2M plus M squared over 1 minus M squared. Now I can substitute my M into this. 1 minus 2, M equals to 1 over square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2 square over 1 minus 1 over square root of 2 square. So I will get 1 minus 2 square root of 2 plus 1 over 2 over 1 minus 1 over 2. So 1 plus half, I will get 3 over 2 minus 2 over 2 over half. Now finally 3 over 2 over 1 over 2, you will get 3 minus 4 over 2. Let's go to the second part, n plus 1 over n. So I will use the answer I find in the part 1, okay? Equals to 3 minus 4 over 2 plus 1 over 3 minus 4 over 2, okay? I will times this with 3 plus 4 over 2, 3 plus 4 over 2. I will get 3 minus 4 over 2 at here plus 3 times 3 you will get 9 minus 4 times 4 you will get 16 over 2 times 2 you will get 2 at here. Okay? 2 simplified with 16 you will get 8 at here. Okay? So now upstairs you will get 3 plus 4 over square root of 2 equals to 3 minus 4 over square root of 2 plus 9 minus 8 you will get 1. So you will get 3 plus 4 square root of 2. 3 plus 3 you will get 6 at here. Minus 4 square root of 2 plus 4 square root of 2 you will get 0. So this is your answer. This is the last example for this subtopic, which is the caveat equation. The diagram shows a cubed with a square base. The volume of the cubed is this. Without using a calculator, find the height of the cubed in meter. So this is the height of the cubed. Okay, and we know that each side is this meter. Okay, so now we also know the volume is this. So I will find the area of the base, then times height, then I will get the volume. Okay, so it's square root of 14 minus square root of 2 times square root of 14 minus square root of 2. This I will get the area of the base times the height, then I will get the volume, which is 32 4 minus square root of 7. Okay, so square root of 14 times square root of 14, I will get 14 minus square root of 2 times square root of 14 minus again square root of 2 times square root of 14, I will get 2 square root of 28. Okay, plus minus you get a positive at here. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, you will get a 2 at here. Okay, so times h equals to 32 4 minus square root of 7. And here I can get 14 plus 2 equals to 16. So I know h is equals to 32 4 minus square root of 7 over 16 minus 2 square root of 28. Okay, now I will times 16 plus 2 square root of 28. 16 plus 2 square root of 28 here. So I will get 32 times 4, you will get 128 minus 32 square root of 7 times 16 plus 2 square root of 28. Okay, and down here you will get 16 times 16, you will get 256 minus this one times this one, you will get 4 times 2 times 2, you will get 4. Square root of 28 times square root of 28, you will get 28. So is equals to 128 times 16, you will get 2048. 128 times this, you will get 256 square root of 28 minus this one times this one, you will get 512 times square root of 7. This one times this one, you will get minus 64 square root of 196. And down here you will get is 144. Now I want to simplify this one. So I know that 28, I can get 14 at here, 2 again, I can get a 7 at here. So square root of 28 I can write become 2 square root of 7 at here. So I will get 2048 plus 256 times 2 square root of 7 minus 512 square root of 7 minus 64. Square root of 196 is 14 over 144. 256 times 2 is 512 plus 512 square root of 7 minus 512 of square root of 7. This one will be cancelled off. Okay, equals to 2048 minus this one will be equals to 2048 minus this one, you will get 1152 over 144, which is equals to 8. So I know that my height is equals to 8 meter. The law of Surds, I will stop at here. Next video, I will talk about law of logarithm. You can download the notes by using the link below. If you have any question, do leave the message for me. Bye!